Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create an online class using Edmodo mobile app. So the first step, you should go on Google Play Store and install the app named Edmodo, as you can see it here. So once you install the app, you'll get the view like this one. So once you get this app, just to create the account as a teacher, just click create account. So once you click that, it will give you two options: one to create an account as a teacher, and another to create an account as a student. So if you're a teacher, just click create account as a teacher. So you can click here teacher. So it will give you this option. So just fill the email address here. There are two options: you can sign up with the Google, or they have another option that you can just enter your email. I can suggest that to put here an email here, not sign up with the Google. I do suggest that you put your email here, then you create your password that has 6 characters. After that, you just click create account. Once you have created the account, it will send you to this page. So here you can just select and click here classes. After that, just click this plus button here. Click the plus button. It will give you these two options. One is to create a class if you are a teacher. Another is to join a class if you are a student. But because you want to create a class, just click here create a class. So it will give you these options here at the top. Name, so just put your name. Maybe I will put my name. So I'll put my name. For example, I want maybe to teach a level, so I can just this arrow down here. Grade shows the grade, so it's from pre-kindergarten, kindergarten, first grade, second grade, third grade. So if you adjust this, you can adjust until you get the grade that you want. For example, I want to teach maybe A level, I can select here higher education. So if I want to just teach adults and so forth, so I can choose here. I can play with this arrow. So because here I want to teach maybe A level, I can select higher education. So then I'll go to subject area. I want to teach English, so I'll go to fine arts. I will choose the English language. After that, I'll scroll down. Then I will click create a class. So I click here create a class. So the class is being created. As you can see already, I've created a class. Here at the top is my name. At the bottom is the subject and the level. So that's how you create a class using Edmodo. If there's any question, don't forget to put in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.